up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am filming my hair care routine, such as my blow dryer, straightener, what shampoos I use, how I blow dry my hair, how I straighten my hair, how many times I do. All those things are gonna be in this video, so just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair. All I did was shampoo and condition. Usually when I shampoo my hair, I make sure that I do it twice, just to make sure that my hair is getting cleaned properly. And then what I'll do is I'll put conditioner at the end of my hair. I never put it on the top because since my hair is naturally oily, I don't want to keep on adding to that. I will go ahead and put a heat protectant. I ran out, so I won't be using it. What I try to do a lot, especially in the winter time, I'll let my hair dry naturally. I'll do the same thing in the summer. Right now, this blower, I ended up getting it at Sally's. I think I paid like $80 for it. It's the Silver Bird Conair Pro. I've gone through so many blow dryers, so right now this is the latest one. It might change later on, hopefully not. And I'm gonna use this round brush. I got it at Sally's as well. I think I paid like $10 or more, because usually brushes like this are a little bit more expensive. But because I have so much hair, it's long and it's thick, I need something that's gonna help me do the job. So right now I'm gonna dry my hair in sections because I find that that's easy for me. To mention, so my hair, I don't wash it every day. I usually start off the week with washing my hair on Sunday, so then that way it's ready for the week. By Wednesday or sometimes Thursday, I'll wash my hair again, and then I'll wait for the following Sunday. Now, if I'm working out, that could change, so that could be like every 2 days. If I am doing that, then what I'll do is I'll wash my hair. I'll have a leave-in conditioner in my hair, so then that way when I do wash it, you know, my hair will be treated. When I'm done drying my hair, I'll show you guys the shampoo and the conditioner that I am currently using and I'm obsessed with. I don't stick to the same shampoo and conditioner for too long, so what I do is I'll buy a shampoo that I know that I've been using for a long time, and I will finish off the bottle, and once I am done, then I'll go on to the next, because I feel like after a while, like the shampoo and the conditioner doesn't seem to like work. Alright guys, I'm finally finished blow drying my hair. So it typically takes me like a half hour, but I'm hot now. So that's how I blow dry my hair, and then I'm gonna be straightening it as well, just to take care of any flyaways. As you can tell, my face is red, but it's because I'm hot right now. So I'm gonna show you guys the straightener that I use. This I purchased many years ago. I believe they still have it. I'm gonna try to find the link and list it down below, because I recently found a newer version of it. And guys, I absolutely love this hair straightener, especially because since I have so much hair and it's thick, This right here is the best, and what I like about it is that it has this little thing here for like the steam, so it doesn't cause that much damage to my hair. It has a setting all the way to 10, and it's called Axis. I made that right there. Oh, it looks all grimy, sorry, but it's been with me for a very long time. I've dropped it many times. Surprised that it's still with me. I think my mom was the one that had this originally, and I took it from her because yes, I am that daughter that will steal from her mother. For my hair straightening, I'm gonna do the same thing that I would do. Hold on, I have to open up the window. I am like super hot right now. There you go. Much better. Alright, so for the hair straightening, it's pretty basic. I'm just gonna divide my hair again, but this time it's not gonna take that long to do. So I'm just gonna grab a clip and then just run the hair straightener through my hair. Let me tell you a little bit of history on my hair. I used to dye my hair, not a lot. I had like a little phase that I was just trying out new things. So I ended up, if you go on my Instagram, I ended up having my hair black with red. It was really nice, so I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, no, it was really nice. Sometimes I wish I could go back, but I feel like, I don't know, that was just a different phase in my life. If you want to see pictures, like I said, go to my Instagram. And then after that, I decided to go blonde, not completely blonde, do the balayage ombre look. Once I went to the salon and I saw how they did it, I figured out how to do it to my hair. So then I was doing it and it came out really nice. And then I don't know, I just got over having my hair blonde. And I wanted to just go back to my black hair, and I've had it like that ever since. Used to go to a hairdresser. There was 2 hairdressers. I would go to this Dominican lady. She's awesome. The salon is called Obsession Salon, and it's in New Britain. I always get my hair cut or done by the owner. And then I had this other guy that was doing my hair as well, and he's been doing my hair since I was like 11 years old. Very good with cutting my hair, but then it got to the point where, you know how it is, no offense to my hairdressers, but typically like you tell them to cut a little bit and then you end up leaving with your hair short. And like I said, I'm not dogging anyone here. I absolutely love my hairdressers, but I didn't like that because my hair wasn't growing. I mean, it would, but like I feel like every time I get into a certain length, there it goes, short again. So I decided to try to cut my own hair, and guys, I was terrified. So I started off with cutting my ends, and then slowly I started to just layer it myself, kind of figure it out. I ended up watching some YouTube videos, and I learned how to work with my hair. I will cut my daughter's ends, and sometimes I'll cut it in layers or I'll cut their bangs. I just want to throw the disclaimer, I am not a professional. All these things that I'm telling you is just things that have worked well for me. I mean, if you want to try it out for yourself. Sorry guys, my camera shut off. Well, all these tips that I'm giving you are just stuff that I have tried and have worked well for me. I'm just throwing out my tips, and because I always get asked. Okay, so I got that side done, and I'm gonna go on to the next. But look at how shiny it looks. And guys, I do dye my hair. I have grays. Unfortunately, in my family, the women, we tend to have a gray hair at an early age. I want to say I got mine at probably like 18 to 20 something years old. I remember I freaked out when I saw my first gray hair. I'm like, oh my god, am I stressing out? When I went to my mom about it, she says, Stephanie, no, in our family, like get grays really early in age, and I'm like, oh, that's great. Now mind you, if they were cute gray dull hairs, then fine, I would let it grow out. I would rock the grays, I'm not gonna lie. But guys, this looks like I have like tinsel in my hair. Like, it's super shiny. I don't know, that's how I look at it. A lot of people say that you can't really notice unless like you get really close, and it does look super shiny. So it just looks like right now, like you see how my hair is shiny, but still. So I do dye my hair. If you guys want to see a video on the products that I use and how I do it and the process, comment down below. I can do a video on that, and also I can include how I cut my hair. So let me know in the comments down below. That could be another video for you guys. I am using the Thick and Full shampoo, SUAVE full volume and body shampoo, and this is not a sponsor, but if you want to sponsor me, I'm here. And the conditioner. So these are the two products that I am currently using. Like I said, a few months from now it might end up changing, and when it does, I'll let you know and keep you posted, so then that way you guys can try out these products with me if you want. So this is what I use. Also, I have a hair perfume that sometimes I will use. It's from the brand So Gorgeous. I got this at Sally's. I think I paid like $5-6 for it. I could be wrong, I don't know. I'll try to find the link and I will list it down below. Same thing with the shampoos. Alright guys, so that's how I straighten out my hair. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Also follow us on Facebook, Snapchat, and on Instagram. And until next time guys, bye!